Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to install Python on Ubuntu using PuTTY. Then let's start. Let's connect to our Ubuntu server. Click the Open button in the PuTTY configuration window. We'll be using root privileges for this demonstration. It's generally recommended to avoid using root for everyday tasks due to security risks. Type the password for the root user and press enter. In the terminal window, type this command. This command updates the list of available software packages. The bellow flag automatically confirms any prompts during the update. After the update is complete, type this command. It installs the Python 3 package on your Ubuntu system. The terminal will ask for confirmation. Do you want to continue? Type Y and press enter to proceed with the installation. A new window might appear listing services using outdated libraries and ask which ones to restart. You have two options. Option 1, select both options and click OK. It's recommended to restart these services to ensure they function properly with the updated libraries. Option 2, if you're unsure, you can skip this step for now. However, some services might not work correctly until you restart them manually. Type clear. This command clears the terminal screen for better visibility. Type this command to check the installed Python version. Congratulations! You've now installed Python 3 on your Ubuntu server. You can now start using Python for your development projects. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment for any question you have.